Shares of Robinhood are getting a boost today after its earnings showed a jump in interest income due to Fed rate hikes, but still saw monthly active users slip. The online brokerage also announcing a new 24-hour trading platform 5 days a week. Yahoo Finance's Diane King-Hall joins us now with the details. I think the shares were originally down, weren't they not?
Yeah,
and now it looks like they've turned higher.
They turned higher. Yeah, indeed. Robinhood, definitely one of the stocks we're focusing in on today. The company, it did report a net loss of $511 million or 57 cents a share on an adjusted basis. Now, trading activity is down from a year ago, but revenue was better than expected at $441 million. That beat the $422 million expected. Robinhood is also working to reverse that trend of activity being down, as you mentioned, with a new 24-hour trading service, not 24/7. The new feature is dubbed 24-hour market and will operate 24/5, meaning it will allow for 24-hour trading 5 days a week. The service will allow for trading in 43 securities, including some popular names like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. The feature will start to roll out next week, and all of its customers are expected to be able to access it by June. So you can see what Robinhood is doing here. I mean, of course, they were one of the beneficiaries of that meme stock frenzy, and they're trying to kind of regain that volume that they lost with another new service.
Yeah, I mean, they were also at the center of it because they had to halt trading in certain names until they had the necessary liquidity as well. Interesting to see, even in the uncertainty in the banking sector, too. That got a mention on the call. They're continuing to see strong net deposits and improving customer satisfaction, they said, as well within this.
And the deposit also having to do with another feature they rolled out earlier this year, IRA, people being able to invest in that service. So that is another way they've pulled in customers by just offering new services and new features. I mean, and Robinhood has certainly been doing a tightrope act in terms of the challenges that they've had to deal with.
Yeah, one more thing on here, too. I always do kind of Control F for crypto mentions within Robinhood. They talked about their new wallet that they've launched, the 130 countries that had been kind of adopted in and users have seen some type of connection point with. But it's interesting that even in this period of time where there's been more of a push for cold storage, where Robinhood might have a place within the crypto wallet transactions and actually functionality, at least in this interim period of time.
And one more thing to mention that has nothing to do with the earnings, and that's the SEC is looking
into
I
saw that.
Trade reporting related to its securities lending and fractional share trading. It seems like it might be linked to some of the fines that banks paid in recent years over unauthorized chats between employees, perhaps, but that's something we're going to continue to watch.
Yeah, so they're definitely under the microscope there, but it's not affecting the stock today.
It is not. Diane, thank you so much.
All right, you got it.